Hello YouTube and welcome to an unboxing and review of the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp. Let's go ahead and start with the box. BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp. We have the actual product right on the front of the box. On the rear side of the box, the left part is showing you the mounting of the clamp. The middle one is mounting the unit on the monitor, and the right side is showing how to connect the USB cable for power. There's nothing really on the sides. Front and back. So let's just go ahead and open the box. There are two safety stickers in total, one on each side, and it's a sliding cover. We'll just go ahead and remove this and put it aside. Now with the remaining box, we're going to go lift off the top cover. Note the foam patch on the inside of the lid, which is there to protect the clamp during transport from scratches. It comes with a very small set of instructions and general terms. We'll also put it aside for now. We have all the components laid out nicely inside, and the paper sheet is providing a description for all the parts and all the buttons on the actual lamp. First piece is the metal clamp. That's the USB cable. And for the actual lamp, just let me make sure we can read it. On the left side we have the manual dimming button. Then we have the U adjust button. This is just the actual lamp. There's just the light sensor. We have the micro USB port. We have the power button and the auto dimming button. This is a fairly standard micro USB cable. And this is the provided clamp for the lamp, which has a really heavy feel to it. Very nice quality. It is spring loaded. And there's nothing else inside the box, so we'll take out the paper sheet and it's empty. Pretty sturdy cardboard as well. Okay, let's take a look at the actual lamp itself. Get it out of the protective cover. The lamp is made out of an aluminum casing and has a few high gloss black elements to it, mainly for the sensors and the USB port. The BenQ ScreenBar features a compact, minimalistic design, ensures that there is zero screen glare, provides a clean desk for more space, has an auto dimming feature to 500 lux, and has a range of 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin for your color temperature. Alright, let's go and have a look at the lamp. The power button, the auto dimming button, the U adjust button, this is the manual dim button. So all of these buttons are touch sensitive buttons, you cannot actually press them. This is the micro USB port. Here's how this lamp looks on the inside. You'll see this long strip of LEDs alternating color. Now this is a close-up of the buttons, and we're rotating to the side with the LEDs, which are orange and yellow, assuming the yellow ones are for the higher color temperatures and the orange ones for the lower color temperatures. This lamp is able to provide you an adjustable color temperature ranging from warm light 2700 Kelvin to cool light 6500 Kelvin, all according to the ANSI white color standard. And you have a total of 8 different color temperatures you can choose from. It's not a continuous fluid change, but it's a step change with 8 different steps. And the main benefit of the ScreenBar e-reading lamp is that you prevent any screen glare from the light itself and allows you to focus on increasing your productivity. The next slide is also taken from BenQ's website, and it shows that the BenQ ScreenBar actually has completely flicker-free LED lighting, whereas competitive products often have a 400 Hz PWM brightness adjustment. Additionally, the IEC TR 62778 assessment provides that there is no blue light hazard with this lamp. Now let's mount the actual lamp assembly on the monitor. First off, we will place the clamp. And then we will go ahead and insert the lamp unit with the USB port to the back and the buttons facing to the top. The mounting typically doesn't require a lot of force. It did take me a little longer as I wasn't really sure which way should be facing up or down. Okay, now the lamp is mounted and can be adjusted in rotation front to back to adjust for your individual preferences. Next, we're going to go ahead and hook up the power to the lamp. This is a standard micro USB cable, which will need to be powered either off of your computer, your monitor, or an additional power supply. Make sure that you're not using a power supply that supplies more than 5 volts to the lamp. I've gone ahead and decreased the room's brightness so I can show you how this lamp works. We're going to go ahead and push the power button to turn on the light, and here's the angle adjustment. Please note, despite rotating it front and rear, we can still not see any screen glare on the monitor itself. Next is the auto dimming feature, which adjusts the light automatically to 500 lux. So when you push the auto dimming button, the light senses the surrounding lighting conditions and adjusts the lamp's brightness automatically to provide a total of 500 lux at your workspace. Next up is the hue adjustment button, which allows you to adjust the color temperature of the light. This can be either a push and hold type of button or a push for the next step in the sequence. When you push and hold, you go all the way to the yellow end, then you can release and push and hold again to go all the way to the blue end. Keep in mind there are 8 individual colors that you can select from. Next in line is the manual dimming button, which works the same way as the hue adjust button. So when you push and hold, you can dim it all the way down, and you can push and hold to get it all bright up again. Or you can select individual steps, as I'm showing here in this scene. And of course, the hue adjustment works in both bright and dark settings. Okay, here's a close-up shot of the buttons. This is the power on button. This is the auto dimming button. Now this is for hue adjustment. We'll go all the way to blue and all the way to orange. And this is the manual brightness dimming, darker and brighter. As you can see, it does not affect the image on your screen. In this panning view, I'm going to show you how this viewing angle actually demonstrates from the bottom to the top. And here's the rotating view of the lamp mounted on a BenQ monitor. Go ahead and enjoy these. And here's another panning view from the left to the right. We have the brightness, the hue adjustment, the light sensor, the auto dimming feature, and the power button. BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp has surprised me in quality and performance. The product itself has a solid, hefty feel to it, and the quality of light checks all the right boxes. I would recommend anyone with non-ideal workspace lighting to consider the BenQ ScreenBar. This can not only help improve productivity levels, but also benefit overall workplace aesthetics. Overall, it deserves a 5-star rating. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.